one is brand new by yours truly. Very malambot. Okay, 5'2" height ko pala mga madam ha, para sa reference nyo. This one is small hanggang medium. Ayan ha. Okay, brand new by yours truly to mga madam ha. Super duper nice. Okay, ganda. Oh, code ako dito ng brand new. 480 brand new ha. Carry to hanggang medium mga madam. Code is brand new. Code ng brand new. Okay, next. Branded. Ay, ang ganda nito. Sino 2XL dyan? Imayin nyo na. Brand new by Two Sisters, mga madam. Super ganda. Okay. Brand new by Two Sisters. Ayan. Super duper nice. Pero parang XL lang to. Wait lang ha. Ang ganda nito. Ang laki lang. Hanggang size 36, mga madam. Brand new ni Two Sisters. 580. Code ako sister. Code ng sister for 580 ha. Up to size 36-37 waist to. Okay, next one is branded by Chic, mga madam. Size large. Grabe, bihira itong magka-large, mga madam, si Chic. Size large, garter waist ito ha. Tapos pa-twisted knot. Ang ganda rin ng tela nito, satin silk na bagsak, mga madam ha. Size large, branded by Chic. 580 na lang to. Code ako dito ng rare. Code ng rare, ganda. Code ng rare for 580 pesos. Ha, super nice. Code ng rare, mga madam. 580 pesos. Okay, next one is another. Ganda. Papa. Okay, carry to hanggang medium large, mga madam. Carry hanggang medium large. Full smock yung bewang, pa-puff sleeve. Pabastier ang kanyang design. Ganda. Code Blue Floral 480. Blue Floral 480. Okay, rare. FM yours na. 580 FM. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to F. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, next. Yung sa akin pa pala pula code. Wala naman po zipper. Garter. Oo! Smack yun, bebe. Walang garter yun. Hi, madam. Shine Tupan. Okay, next. This one is branded by Forever New. Branded by Forever New. Zipper back. Super nice ng quality, ha? Okay, this one is medium semi-large. Branded by Forever New. Zipper back. Code is Forever. Forever 580 lang. Forever 580. Blue Floral. Aileen, yours na si Blue Floral. Ay, Ma'am Dakanay. Small medium lang yung suot ko. 390 lang to, ha. Miss Aileen, naranit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na si Blue Floral, mahal. Aileen, yours na to. Okay, next one is... Okay. Opo. Okay, next one is... Branded by The Cuba. Alam nyo, gusot lang. Pero ang ganda-ganda nito, B. Forever. FM yours na, bebe. F. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yours na to, ha. 400. Ay, 580 pala. Si Forever. 580 Forever. Okay, next one is branded by The Cuba. Actually, brand new pa to. Tapos, soft linen yung tela niya. Ayan yung color. Okay, para siyang army green na sage green. Alam mo yun? Branded by The Cuba, doll cut. This one is medium on tag. Gusot lang talaga siya. Okay, pero carry to hanggang large, mga madam. Ha, medium large. Code ako gusot, 480. Gusot 480. The Cuba is an Australian brand, mga madam, ha? Pero high-end brand din yan. Sobrang ganda ng tela. Okay, next is another. Ala, ang ganda nito. Small med. Small med, papa, wrap around. Small semi-med, wrap around, mga madam. Para siyang si Blue Floral, pero wrap around lang. Code ako dito, wrap around 480. Wrap around 480, bebe. Sige, may ipapacheck ko kay admin, Miss Nora, ha? Okay, Gusot. FM, yours na si Gusot, bebe. Gusot, F480, yours na to. F, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to, F, ha? Okay, next one is... Ay, itong ganda. Branded by Tokito, mga madam. Pwede pang office. Pa-puff, short sleeves po. This one is branded by Tokito, size large. Size 12 on tag to, ha. Pa-puff. Para siyang navy blue. Close to black na siya. This one is size large. Size 12 on tag. Zipper back, mga madam. Tapos pa-puff, ha. Code ako dito ng dark. Dark 480. Dark 480 pesos. Code is dark. Okay, next one is branded by H&M. Hala, ang ganda nito. Linen pero sexy, ha. Branded by H&M, small medium to, mga madam, ha. Branded by H&M, small med, kasi garterize yung likod. Okay, tapos side zipper. Alo, yung ganda. Kaya ito sa medium, mga madam, malaki to sa small. This one is again branded by H&M, linen po, napaka-sexy. Tapos side zipper and then garterize yung nandito niya. Okay, code ako dito HM480. HM480. HM480 pesos. Code is HM. Okay, next, this one, brand new by Nasty Gal. Very madam din. Okay, brand new by Nasty Gal. This one is best fit medium semi-large. Okay, super nice. Button down to, mga madam, ha. Working buttons yan, mga mi. Talaga natatanggal. Medium large, mga madam. Code ako dito ng, ganda. Code ako ng silk. Silk 480, brand new by Nasty Gal. Okay, dark. Kanina si dark. Arian Cedro, yours na si dark. Arian Cedro, mahal yours na to. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, dark 480. HM Desiree. Des, yours na si HM 480. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to. Ang dami sa dark. FM, yours na si Silk, double lock, 580. Okay, FM, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, yours na to. Okay, next one. Ano to? Uy, ang ganda nito. Ang sexy masyado. Brand new to, mga madam, ha. Brand new by Mulula. This one is carry hanggang medium po. Linen siya. Super sexy. Kita nyo naman. Backless na bareback talaga. This one is again brand new by Mulula. Up to medium carry. Code ako dito ng backless. Code ng backless hanggang medium backless 480. Brand new by Mulula to, ha. Brand new by Mulula, mga madam. Code is backless hanggang medium. Okay.